Welcome to the Nani Hood Parent Resource Center webinar series. Today we are exploring the child care decision. Making the child care decision can be an overwhelming undertaking. Throughout this webinar, we will gather resources and insights for making the decision an easier one. We will cover the initial concerns about finding care, what the options are, what to look for in a child care program, parent involvement in the program you choose, what your child may be feeling, and best practices for transitioning. Your initial concerns about finding care are valid. Whether you are just looking for a date night out, running errands, or heading back to work, feelings of guilt and the anxiety of separation are natural. You are a good parent wanting to be with your child. Don't feel bad about it. However, do not hesitate moving forward looking for care. You are going to make the right decision for your family. Consider this an investment. Your research into programs will pay off and help ease your concerns. There are several options for child care. A registered provider is licensed through the state. Their spaces, meals, training, and ratios are regulated and monitored. These providers are often found in larger child care centers, preschools, and home licensed care. Informal providers are people caring for children that are not licensed or certified. These providers can include neighbors, relatives, or in-home nannies. Options for childcare can be full-time and part-time. Speak with your employer as well as to what flexible work schedules are available to you. When you begin looking for childcare, start with who you know and trust. Ask for recommendations and referrals from family, friends, and your local resource and referral agencies. When calling centers, there is a handful of questions to ask before scheduling a visit. Are there opportunities to be involved, and are parents welcome to be in the space? What safety procedures are in place? How is the center age appropriate for my child? And what are the logistics of price and location? What you want to look for in a child care program is the welcoming atmosphere. Do you as a parent feel greeted and acknowledged? Do you get the sense that there are opportunities for parents to be involved? When you enter a child care facility, is your initial parent instinct that you are listening to? If you enter the space and immediately know this is not the place that resembles the values in your own home, it is not the right fit for your needs. You need an engaging place that will collaborate with you, help you grow your child, that has open ears to listen to your concerns. You will sense these things during your initial interviews and tours of the center. Safety is a major component to consider when choosing a child care setting. Items to take into consideration include the amount of staff available per child present in the center. This is referred to as staff-to-child ratio. Ask about center licenses and staff training. What are the evacuation plans for fires and emergency closings? When taking a tour of the center, keep an eye out for other safety precautions. Safety can include cleanliness, food safety, the condition of toys, and the amount of room provided for children. Do you see outlet covers and smoke detectors? Overall, do you feel safe having your child playing in this space? The setting you choose needs to be age appropriate for your child. You should be looking for appropriate and designated eating, sleeping, and toileting spaces. There should be other children close to your child's age. The TV should be off. You want to ask staff about behavior plans, such as, what happens when a child is bitten by another child? Overall, you are looking to see if kids are happy and smiling. You want to see artwork displayed, and what curriculum or learning practices they use throughout the day. As a parent, you are also considering the price and location of the child care setting. Consider if it's on your way to work or going in the other direction. Consider what you are looking for and what you are willing to pay for it. You want quality care. Do not settle for less. Lastly, to ease concerns, ask what opportunities are available for parent involvement. There are usually opportunities to volunteer. This can be helping directly with children in the classroom or in an administrative role. There are also leadership opportunities if you are looking to give back to the center and the community. If opportunities are not available and the center frowns upon parents dropping in unexpectedly, that can be a red flag that the program is not for you. You should have access to your child at all times. Know that your child may be having the same feelings as you. There is excitement about getting to know a new space and meeting new friends. There can also be anxiety about being away from mom and dad for the first time. Know that these feelings are very real to them and need to be validated. Also be mindful that children can reflect feelings of their parents. Stay positive. Transitioning does not have to be scary. When you have decided on the child care provider or setting, take your child to visit the space a few times together. Let your child familiarize themselves with the staff and space before you leave them on the first official day. Maintain an upbeat and positive attitude regarding the transition. Ultimately, protect quality time with your child. They will be happy to see you when you pick them up. Head to the park or go out for a bike ride. Digest the day together. Thank you for participating in the Child Care Decision. For other webinars and more information, visit our website at www.nanihoodprc.org.